Well, hello, welcome to South Coastable Crossings. Hope you're doing alright. That is an e-scooter doing a silly thing. Hope you're doing alright. We are at Mount Pleasant level crossing again. Not been here for quite a while, and there's some track. Woo. Not much changed apart from you may have heard there is a bell broken down there. This barrier is broken. You can just about see here the skirt has been hit by something, obviously. Bent backwards there. Yep, cool. Nothing much else different with the crossing. At the bridge, we've got these yellow things now, which will help people take their bikes up on the bridge. Unfortunately, they don't extend to all of the steps. They do that part. But they do, they do that part, but they don't do the part in between. Maybe they can't make them round corners or something like that. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh yes, for e-scooter fans, there's an e-scooting parking place over there as well. Apart from that, nothing much has changed. Let's get through the trains. So we are waiting for, I think, a South Western Railway service from London Waterloo down to Weymouth and Bournemouth, I think. And in the distance I can see a train coming. It's let's have a look. Let's zoom in. We've got on the left we have a GBRF container train, and just can be seen in the background on the right, that is actually the Great Western Railway Brighton train, but it's been cancelled. So because of train crew problems, it was cancelled at Southampton Central, and now it's popping off to Fratton to stay there for a while. There we are. And then the hoverfly is saying hello to me. Hi, hoverfly. There we are. Almost a train race. Well, there we are. That was a train. Two trains, actually. I'm still being checked out by a hoverfly. I don't know why. Can it land so I can film it? No? Hello? It's currently buzzing near my collar. This is fun. Let's turn around, because I think we've got the South Western Railway service to Brighton, Bournemouth somewhere coming through. Yeah, I can see it around the corner. To be coming through from this direction, and I wonder if we get any trains going towards St Denis now. We have a something else. I can't remember. I'll tell you after the train. Well, that's a train heading off to Poole, apparently, according to the doodahs on the screens on the side of the train. And here comes another, maybe not. I can see in the distance another train. Hello, train. That train is meant to go to Basingstoke, carriage depot, but I think it will probably be waiting for the freight train in front of it to clear off. There we are, so probably expect the barriers to go down anytime soon. I hope the train will stop. Yes, the train has stopped. Good. No train accident today, please. Thank you. There's cars and massive lorry as well. This is fun. The hoverfly is buggered off, which is a good thing. Is the train going to come? Don't worry, it's perfectly safe because the train will be held at a red light itself for these cars to go across in front of it. And the reason for the red light is probably because there's a train still sat around the corner. I can see it's coming around towards Fratton now. So we're waiting for the Great Western Railway cancelled Brighton service to go in front of it and cross over on the line towards Portsmouth before this train can head through. There we are. What do we say? Oh, we've got another 2 trains. Hello, trains. They keep coming, don't they? We can have a train race. So one of these is to Basingstoke, and one of these is to not Basingstoke. Basingstoke and Portsmouth and Southsea, I think. There we go, crossings down. And the train shall thou depart. Are we going to get an amazing train race or something like that? Or maybe not. Nope. Oh, he's off. He's off. Come on, who's going to win? One on the left or one on the right? I think the one on the left. Yes. Look at that. Oh, train on the right just is overtaking the left one now. There we are. And barriers, look at that. The quickest crossing, lowering doodah thing ever for 2 trains because they both go in the same direction at the same time. There we are. Okay, 7 minutes, 8 minutes later. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.